All right, so here is my 2023 PC build, Canadian edition. Here are all the parts that I have, so let's start from the left and go over to the right. Okay, so first off, you can see here is I have the Radeon RX 6750 XT, and I'm going to be pairing that with this CPU here, the Ryzen 7 7700X. A little bit of an overkill in terms of the CPU, but this one was a pretty good deal, so that's the one that I got. Pairing that, I got the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 edition, 32 gigs. So two, as you can see here, two 16 gig DIMMs. And then moving further down, we got this beast of a cooler, the Be Quiet Darkrock Pro 4. So that should be pretty interesting setting up, and it's nice and quiet, as the name says. So we'll see how it goes. Next up, we have the motherboard, the B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi edition. And I might go ahead and change this out. I think this is a Gen 3. Yeah, you can tell here by the speeds. This is a Gen 3 SSD, so I might get another one and then just use this one for storage. Still thinking about it, but I'll see. And last we got over here is the PSU 700 watts by Thermaltake. And the only thing missing from here now is the case. So that's where you guys come in. Go ahead, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think, what case I should get. I'm thinking of the NZXT H7 Flow Black Edition, but you guys let me know. Also, I got all these parts. These were all paid for by my own money, so this isn't sponsored. So Canada Computers and Best Buy, if you're watching this, go ahead and send me some parts, for future build. So that's my 2023 PC build Canadian edition. And once I get my case, I'll go ahead and do a build video for you guys. So thank you.